Hi guys, welcome to Encyclo. In this video, we are discussing the questions of MA Economics. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Question number 2, consider Cobb-Douglas utility function, where X and Y are the two goods that a consumer consumes at per unit prices of Px and Py respectively. Assuming the income of the consumer to be rupees m, determine Marshallian demand function for goods X and Y, indirect utility function for such a consumer, the maximum utility attained by the consumer way alpha equal to 1 by 2, px equal to rupees 2, py equal to rupees 8, and m equal to rupees 4000. And fourth one is derive Roy's identity. I want to share something. We are providing not only assignments, we are providing any other related help related to the issues. If they are not picking up a call, so you can contact us anytime for us, and we will guide you accordingly and we will provide you all the information related to your queries. Thank you so much for watching.